When might the new Harley Quinn Crazy Coaster open to the public? Let's find out. Hey everybody, this is Dwayne from Coaster Act, and this week we are at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, and we're here to find out a little bit about this new coaster project. Let's go inside. Actually, as we walk up, just some notes about the coaster. Going back to last summer, actually, when Six Flags announced this, it's quite a surprise for most of us in the community. Definitely some excitement as the new Skyline Attractions SkyWarp was announced that it was going to go to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, and ever since we've been watching this, trying to find out a little bit more about it, and of course some of the debate, about whether it's a coaster or not. But a lot of people now are considering it a coaster, and that's a great thing. No matter what you consider it, it definitely looks like an awesome attraction. You have capacity, 2 train capacity essentially, that loads simultaneously, 16 people per train, and you kind of fly over and fly by each other 35 miles an hour. So when you're going at each other, it's basically like a 70-mile-an-hour experience as people fly by. So it's something unique that is great to see come to the amusement industry. Definitely something that if you're in the area, you definitely want to check out this summer. Of course, there hasn't been an official announcement on the opening date, nothing that we've heard, but definitely we're expecting it to come pretty soon as we now get into the summer season, and more folks will be heading out to the park. And if you look up here, you'll see that the structure, the actual track, is all in place. So it definitely shouldn't be too much longer. From our vantage point, of course, this is like 62 feet tall. Track total is 360 feet in total length. And again, you go upside down and twist and turn a little bit. So definitely a fun attraction that we're sure many enthusiasts are excited to experience. And it is still kind of appears to be scheduled for the summertime. So definitely excited for that. If you see in the background, of course, you have the Superman, and it's a nice little area of the park that guests should be coming to like more and more. Now we're right up next to it, and you see, just look at the track. The red track is fantastic, great work. You can see the bends, the twists there, the inversions. So let's just kind of take in the look here, the angle, and yeah, as you see here, a lot of people will be standing out here. We would anticipate a good opportunity for a nice little photo, a little selfie or something, but a nice little way to kind of interact with the crowd outside. But this is really quite a remarkable, fun-looking attraction. Definitely something we can't wait to experience in the coming weeks or months. Okay, now we're in here by the go-karts. See some signage, of course. Definitely promoting the new attraction. It is something that should be a great new addition for the park. We definitely like the look of it, and I think a lot of the guests will as well. If you look, of course, there's Superman, so it's a good placement. You have 2 great attractions next to each other. Definitely think there's some really good angles here for some photo opportunities. Of course, you want to ride the attraction too, but it should be great for photos. Kind of adds to the skyline a little bit, although it's not too tall. If you look at a little closer here, the Superman Ultimate Flight entrance, or the framing here, you look right behind it, you'll see the actual Harley Quinn Crazy Coaster. It definitely looks fantastic. Again, we can't really say enough about how it looks. Again, it's only 62 feet tall, but it's going to pack a good punch. We definitely like what we see anxious to get on the ride. I wish it was open today, of course, but it's not. Look around this area, though. There's a lot. We expect a lot of people. A lot of the crowd will kind of flock to this area to enjoy some great attractions, some great thrills. Okay, let's walk up a little closer on this other angle here. Again, unfortunately, not a lot to see, but or find out for sure. But yeah, there you have it. Not much going on today. We definitely expect it to open soon. We'll have more updates. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you get the latest and greatest updates. Again, here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, Coaster Addict is signing out.